Is table saw safety being sacrificed? Two representatives, Gluesenkamp Perez from Washington and Jeff Duncan from South Carolina, have put forward a new bill called the Preserving Woodworking Traditions and Blocking Government-Mandated Monopolies Act. If this bill becomes law, it will stop the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission, or CPSC, from making any new rules that would require table saws to have special safety technology until at least 2043. That's because the CPSC would have to wait until the patents for this technology, owned by a company called SawStop, expire or are made public, plus an extra 5 years. SawStop's patent refers to their proprietary flesh detection and injury avoidance technology for table saws. This technology can detect contact with human skin and stop the saw blade almost instantly to prevent severe injuries. Lawmakers say that forcing this safety technology right now would create a monopoly, meaning one company would control the market. They think this would make table saws too expensive for small woodworkers and tradespeople, especially in rural areas. It's interesting because Congressman Duncan's district in South Carolina is home to Ryobi, a major table saw maker. This bill could really affect companies like Ryobi, which might be why there's local support. Gluesenkamp Perez says the delay is needed to give other companies time to develop and sell affordable safety technology. They want to keep woodworking accessible to everyone, not just those who can afford expensive equipment. To sum it up, this is what the bill would do. Number 1. Stop the CPSC from making any new table saw safety rules until at least 5 years after all the patents expire or are made public. And number 2, the bill would effectively delay any new rule until at least 2043. Do you think this bill is protecting small businesses or is it delaying important safety improvements? If you're interested in more industry changes, check out our next video on landscapers switching from gas to electric equipment.